Silva West English Medium School, Math Server, Palanpur. Myself Ankita Joshi. Welcome to our English class. In English, we will start our new lesson, lesson number 14. I have explained the lesson to you. Now we will do the exercise of that lesson, worksheet of that lesson, the giving tree. First, we will do MCQs over here. MCQs. Every day, the boy would visit the tree and enjoy its blank. The option are given to you in MCQs, as you know: food, company, cold drinks. So the boy would visit the tree and enjoy it. क्या enjoy करता था boy? Company. The next second, the tree said to the boy to cut down its trunk and make a blank. So the options given here: coat, road, boat. So the answer is boat. Third, the old man said, "My blank are too weak to eat apples." तो ओल्ड मैन ने क्या बोला? क्या वीक थे उसके एप्पल खाने के लिए? हैंड, टीथ, लेग. So the answer is teeth. Okay. Now we will do match the following. To match the following, you have to match the words. Okay, not the meaning. You have to match the words. Match the following. First, the words are given to you. You have to match the meaning over there. Delicious. Delicious का meaning क्या होता है? Tasty. Delicious में tasty. Pluck. Pluck means to pull something. Pluck. To pull something. Third one, recognize. Recognize means क्या होगा? To identify. Recognize means to identify. Trip. Trip means go on a short journey. Trip. Go on a short journey. Now here we will make sentences. Next is make sentences. Apple. I like to eat apple very much. Apple पे sentence क्या बनेगा हमारा? I like to eat apple very much. Second, trunk. Second is trunk. The mango tree has a thick trunk. Trunk. The mango tree has a thick trunk. Mango tree का trunk कैसा है? Thick है. Third, swing. I like to sit on swing. Swing means क्या होता है? झूला. Swing. I like to sit on swing. Fourth, pluck. Don't pluck the flowers. Fourth one is pluck. Don't pluck the flowers. Fifth, shade. Tree gives a shade. Shade. Tree gives a shade. Now we will do opposites. You have to give opposites. Okay, the word is given to you and you have to give opposites. Honest, dishonest. Honest का opposite क्या होगा? Dishonest. Humble, proud. Humble, proud. Thick, thin. Thick, thin. Tall, short. Tall, short. Now we are filling the blanks. We will do fill in the blanks. First one, the tree asked the boy, "Are you hungry? Eat my blanks." ट्री ने क्या पूछा बॉय को कि अगर तुम्हें भूख लगी है तो तुम्हें क्या खाने मेरे? Eat my apples. Answer is apples. Number 2, the tree was happy to give its shade. Tree was happy to give its shade. छाया देने में खुश था tree. Number 3, you can pluck my apples and sell them and have blank. So एप्पल बेच के भी वो क्या कमाएगा? वो क्या आएगा? मनी. So you can pluck my apples. तुम मेरे एप्पल तोड़ के फिर उसको बेच के फिर क्या आएगा? मनी. So you can pluck my apples and sell them and have money. 4, the boy said, "I am getting blank and need a house for my wife." उसको क्या चाहिए था बॉय को? हाउस. शादी कर रही तो क्या चाहिए था? हाउस. और हाउस किसके लिए चाहिए था उसको? अपनी वाइफ के लिए. तो आफ्टर मैरिड. सो द बॉय सेड, "I am getting married." Boy said, I am getting married and need a house for my wife. Fifth, my branches are gone. You cannot blank on them. So, fifth, my branches are gone. You cannot swing on them. क्या है आंसर? You cannot swing on them. Now we will do answer the following questions. First one, how did the boy enjoy the company of the tree? Boy कैसे enjoy करता था tree की company? So the answer is, the boy used to swing on the branches and eat apples of the tree. The boy used to swing on branches. Branches में वो क्या करता था? झूले खाता था ना? So the boy used to swing on the branches and ate apples of the tree. Number 2, how did the tree help the boy earn money? How did the tree help the boy to earn money? So the answer is, the tree asked the boy to pluck the apples, sell them in the market and earn money. Third, what did the boy make with the branches of the tree? Boy ने branches of the tree के साथ में क्या बनाया? उसने? What did the boy make with the branches of the tree? The boy built a house with the branches of the tree. Boy ने क्या बनाया था? House बनाया. जो tree के branches से उसने क्या बनाया था? House. So answer is, the boy built a house with the branches of the tree. Fourth, what did the boy make with the trunk of the tree? Tree की जो trunk थे उससे उसने क्या बनाया? Third. किसका होता है? Third. So the boy made a boat with the trunk of the tree. What did the boy make? Boat. Boy ने क्या बनाया था? Boat बनाई थी. So the boy made a boat with the trunk of the tree. How was the stump of the tree useful? So answer is, the old man wanted to sit and rest on the stump of the tree. Again answer, how was the stump of the tree useful? So the answer is, the old man wanted to sit and rest on the stump of the tree. Sixth, why is the play called the giving tree? क्यों इस play को हम लोग giving tree कहेंगे? So the play is called the giving tree because the tree always gave away something to make the boy happy. क्योंकि tree हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ देता था. क्यों? Boy को, to make him happy. So the play is called the giving tree because the tree always gave away something to make the boy happy. Now here we will do true or false. True, false. First one, the young man was going on a holiday trip and wanted a boat. वो young man holiday trip पे जाना था और उसको boat चाहिए. So yes or wrong? Right or wrong? Wrong. The boy was hungry and ate mangoes. जो boy को भूख लगी तो उसने mangoes खाए थे? No. क्या खाया था उसने? Apple. So here the answer is wrong. False. The tree loved the little boy. So yes, answer is true. Yes. Right. The boy visited the tree every day and enjoyed its company. The boy visited the tree every day and enjoyed its company. So yes, answer is right. True. The last answer, fifth one. The old man just needed a quiet place to sit and rest. So yes, it's true. So your answer is right. True. Children, I am going to send you PDF. You have to write down and copy down in your notebook with your neat and clean handwriting. Till then, thank you. Bye-bye.